The Ministry of Education and Youth is responsible for the placement of students who sit the Primary Exit Profile PEP exam, which assesses students' knowledge as well as critical thinking and communication. Students are placed based on the results of the Primary Exit Profile PEP tests given in grades 4, 5, and 6. The parents' or guardians' top choices from a list of potential schools. While the Ministry of Education and Youth does not generally assist with student transfers from one school to another, requests will be supported in circumstances of proximity. This is when a child may have been assigned to a school where he or she would have to travel considerably long distances from home to school. However, in cases where you are seeking transfers for children who have already been placed in schools by the Primary Exit Profile PEP placement process, it is your responsibility as a parent to contact a school that is willing to accept your child or children. Here are the steps to allow for a smooth transfer process. Submit a letter of request for transfer to the school desired. The school should then provide you, the parent or guardian, with an acceptance letter. Take that acceptance letter to the school where the child was originally placed. The school administrator must then provide a release letter. You are then required to write a letter addressed to the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Education and Youth, requesting approval for transfer. This letter must be accompanied by the acceptance and release letters and should be taken to the respective regional office. The Ministry of Education and Youth, through the regional offices, will send approval letters to the accepting and releasing schools within 1 week from the date received. Make sure you have the necessary paperwork from the primary school to speed up the procedure. And that will be the child's last 2 reports, grades 5 and 6. A recommendation from the principal, the official scoring sheet from the Ministry of Education and Youth with the child's grades for PEP. Other documents such as the child's birth certificate and immunization record should also be made available. And keep in mind that it is your duty to get in touch with a school that will accept your child. Follow the transfer procedure to help your child enroll in the institution you believe will give him or her the best chance for a successful academic career.